Okay, hello Steve. This will just be hopefully just a quick little video to show you how to make some changes on your website. Um, let's see. So you have a login already. Your username is Steve, and to log in, you just go to your website followed by /wp-admin, and that will bring you to the login. Okay. And also I sent you an email link to reset your password so you can set your own password for that. Once you get logged in, you will be at the dashboard here. And so then to make changes, just go back to the front of the website. So you can click Visit Site up here. And then to make changes on any page, all I got to do is use Beaver Builder. Don't use Edit Page because that just goes into some other stuff. To change stuff right on the surface of the page, just use Beaver Builder. That's the easiest and best way. That's what I use all the time. And then you'll notice that you'll see the areas highlighted when you go over them. You don't see this right stuff highlighted though, because that's a sidebar. So let me know if you want to change that or whatever. Okay, so if you want to change, for example, this, you just click, and then this is a heading module here, and here's the text that's in that. So you would just change whatever is here, and then click Save. And then here again, we've got text. This is a text editor module. The other one was a header module. So here's all of the text here, and there's a picture embedded. There's a couple pictures embedded into the text here. These days I usually will just use a photo module, and to do that, if you want to add a photo, click the plus sign up here and then drag over the photo module to wherever you want to put it, and then select photo. And if you want to upload a photo, do that there, or if you want to use an existing photo that's already there, you can do that. I should have alt text in here. Quality computer systems. Diagram, or whatever that is there. Select photo. You can change the size. This isn't a very big photo, so we should have a bigger photo than that probably. If you wanted to put a different one in there, let's see, let's just get a bigger picture. We got a lot of small pictures here, it looks like. Your picture itself, that's pretty small too. So, well, anyway, I'm just showing you how to put a picture in. So then notice you can also grab this and move it around. Maybe you want to move it down to the bottom. There it is there. You can also move it outside of the row and into its own row. Stuff like that. Okay, but I'm not going to save this one. So I'm just going to remove that. Okay, and then when you are done with editing the page, you would click Done up here and then Publish. And that's done. Then you're done with your editing on that page. Then if you want to edit another page, go to the page first, whichever page you want to go to, and then click Beaver Builder again, and then do whatever changes you want there. If you want to add something again, you got to go over to this plus sign and drag over whatever you want. There's a text editor there, a photo, and buttons, and there's some other things there. Okay, and then I think that's going to be pretty easy for you to do this stuff, but let me know if you've got questions. This is a contact form here, and that's all set up there already. And here again, it looks like on pretty much every page we have this sidebar. Let's get out of this page. I'm going to discard changes here. I didn't want to change anything on this. Let's go to the blog. I think you mentioned you want to maybe do some blogging. To do a blog post, you would go up here and click New Post, and then that'll take you through. Let me see if we've got the classic editor. No, we don't. I don't like this new editor, so I'm going to get out of that and put in the classic editor plugin. Okay, now when you go to new post, it's just better to have this classic one here. So this is, you put in your title here, new post title, and then you type in whatever you want to type. And you can also put in pictures and various things here. There's a visual tab here, so if you want to do that, it might be a little easier. Sometimes I usually use the text tab so you can see the HTML markup. And then it's always a good idea to add a featured image. That just makes things look better. And then you just click publish. So that's how you add a post. So that's pretty simple. And so now you can see I'm in the kind of in the administrative side of the website again. So when you add a post, after you click publish, there'll be a link to click to view it, and then you'll be back to the front of it again. And we have a test post. We do have this one post here, so we should have an image there. So let's edit this post and let's add a featured image here. And I don't really know which one we would want here, but we can, so let's see here. I just want to get like a squarish image. Try that one there. And we should have, I'll go through here and put alt text in all of these images. Let's see, for SEO, we should have a larger image here. So let's remove that one. We don't have a lot of images in here, so we should get bigger ones, better ones. Let's try that one. That's still too small. Okay, to get some images that are free and legal, you can go to Pixabay. I use that quite a bit. And I just typed in computer repair, and then, so what we can do is just grab an image here, and you see that over here it says free download, Pixabay license, editorial use only, no attribution required. So you can use this all these images here for free. And here on this license it says images and videos may be used freely for commercial and non-commercial use, but there are some restrictions. Find out more in this article. So don't redistribute or sell someone else's images or videos on other stock wallpaper forms. Okay. All right, I was a little confused by that, but here's another image here that says free for commercial use, no attribution required. So I'll just download this one here. And I usually download this, that's free. And then just say, click that, I'm not a robot, download, and then it'll download to your PC. I'll usually do this to copy for the credit there, and then I go over here and let's just upload that image from my downloads. Click that. I know you know how to do all this stuff, but what I usually do then is I'll put in alt text, and then probably for the description I'll copy in everything that I did that credits that user or that contributor of the image. So now we have that there as the featured image, and I'm going to update this. So now when I go and view the post, we're not really seeing the image there, but if I go to blog, since it has a featured image, there's the featured image right there. And then this is the blog post down here, so that'll help you there. You might want to let me know if you want this sidebar to not appear on every page. It's probably okay. It's been common to do that in the past, but sometimes a lot of websites these days will just have the full screen and not the sidebar on all of the pages. So you would probably want it on the blog page, because you can show recent posts and comments and things like that. So, but let me know if you want to make any other changes, or if you need help with changes or whatever. But just remember, always use that Beaver Builder, and that's pretty straightforward. It's really nice and easy to use. So, all right. I hope this didn't get too long. It's a little longer than I expected to do, but go ahead and try it out and let me know if you need help. Thanks, Steve.